Jai Swaminarayan students. Let us check and discuss the answers of the worksheet which I have sent you on 16th July. I hope you all have written the answers. Just check the answers and correct it if needed. Choose the correct option. Peripherals connected in a network are called dash, nodes or hub. Answer will be nodes, right? Because hub it is a device which interconnects the computer. So if the peripherals are connected in a network, it is through nodes. Next, a dash is referred to as switch, which is used to interconnect computers within an area to create a network. Host or hub. Answer will be hub, right? Because it is also called as a switch and it is the device which interconnects the computers. Dash is a wireless technology that is used for very short range connections to transmit data between devices. Bluetooth or LAN. Answer will be Bluetooth, right? Because LAN it is a network and Bluetooth it is a technology, wireless technology. Dash is a network restricted to smaller physical areas such as school, local office or house. It is LAN, right? The smaller physical areas, they are connected in a LAN, that is local area network. And MAN, metropolitan area network, it is mostly used to build a network across two cities or two towns. So that is why the answer will be LAN. Next, dash are mostly built for cities or towns to provide a high data connection. Answer will be MAN, that is metropolitan area network. Next, smallest LAN uses only dash computers, 2 or 5. 2 computers, right? If only 2 computers are connected with each other, we can say that it is connected with a LAN. The internet is the largest dash of the world. It is the largest wide area network because with internet, suppose 2 computers which are in different countries, they can also be connected through a network, and that network is wide area network. So we can say that internet is the largest WAN in the world. Next, a dash manages numerous connections at the same time and lets us all communicate with the server. Ethernet cable or switch. So the answer will be switch, because switch it is the device which manages the connections of many computers or other peripherals with the server at the same time. Next, give the full forms of first LAN, that is local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, WAN, wide area network, NIC, network interface card, and last Wi-Fi, it is wireless fidelity, right? I hope you all have got the answers correct, right children? That's all for today. Thank you.